And last but not least, our two special cases. What happens when we're solving and things go crazy? So we're going to solve the same way. We can use substitution or elimination, doesn't matter. Let's say on the first one we're going to use elimination because we see the 4x and the 2x and we say, hey, I can multiply that by -2. And my 4x minus the 4x will be 0. So copying the first one down, multiplying the second one through, and then adding our two equations together. I get a 0 for the x's, which is what we wanted, but we also get a 0 for the y's. Oh dear, we get no x's and no y's equals -2. When these two numbers are different and the variables eliminate themselves, it is trying to tell us something. It is trying to tell us that there are no solutions because 0 does not equal -2. These are two parallel lines. Solutions. So very important, this idea that when you get your answer, doesn't matter whether you're using substitution or elimination, if you get the x's and y's cancel out and one number equals a different number, which is not true, then there are no solutions. Let's use substitution on the next one. I'm going to solve the top one for y. So subtracting the 2x, I get y equals -2x plus 8. I'm going to take that and I'm going to substitute it in for the y in the other equation. So 3x plus 3/2 times y equals 12, but my y is -2x plus 8. So I have one equation in one variable now. I have 3x minus 3x equals plus 12 equals 12. 3x and -3x is 0, so we have 12 equals 12. Still trying to tell us something, but this time it's the same number. 12 does equal 12. That is true. These are the same lines. There are infinitely many solutions to this one. So that concept is the key. So you get a number equals another number. If it's the same, if it's true, then there's infinitely many solutions. You really have the same line. If they're different, if it's not true, then you have parallel lines. One of these has no solutions, the parallel lines. One of these has infinite many solutions, the same line. Those are your two special cases, and I hope you have a good weekend.